So I have the new Flip 5 that's been released somewhat recently, and I'm just going to show you what's new. I don't have a Flip 4 for comparison, but I have that. I mean, you know. So basically, it's now it charges by USB-C, and that port is exposed. There's no cover for it, although it's still waterproof. So you know, there's that. And the battery indicator is now just a line, which I guess is easy, although I'm kind of struggling, I'm not gonna lie. And it's got all the same 4 buttons here, apart from this is called party mode or something, which isn't the same as the Connect Plus on the older speakers, so I could not pair the Flip 5 with the boombox or anything older, which is kind of a bummer, but never mind. Apart from that, it's still got the same base things, the radiators on each side, and it's pretty much the same. So I'm just going to show you a sound test, because like, why not? And then that's it. This is the Flip 5 at full volume.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
This is the boombox. I mean, obviously it's going to be louder, but it's just for comparison.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for